beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you're warmly welcome. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes. When I first started applying makeup, eyelash application was amongst the most difficult things for me to do. But guys, I promise you, it's very easy. You just have to master the technique. Observe what I'm doing, listen to me. I promise you by the end of this video you will learn how to apply your falsies. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet already. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit the post notification bell so every time I upload a new video you will always be notified. With no further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, now my beautiful people, first of all you need to start by applying eyeliner on your lash line, and the eyeliner I'm going to be using today is Zalon black eyeliner. If you're not drawing a wing eye, just draw a thin line as close to your natural lash line as possible. This is going to hide any bud from your false lashes, and also it's going to give your lashes a nice place to stick on. The next step, my beautiful people, you need to apply mascara before applying your false lashes, and the mascara that I'll be using today is Volume Locket Express by Maybelline. I have little to none natural lashes, guys, but even so you need to apply your mascara combing your natural lashes going upwards and downwards to make sure that they are all well defined. The reason why you should apply mascara before putting on your false lashes is so as to prolong the longevity of your lashes. When you apply your false lashes, then you apply your mascara, the mascara is going to get all into your false lashes and it's going to reduce the longevity of your lashes. Also, don't forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes. I personally feel like applying mascara on both your lower lash and your upper lash really makes your eyes to pop a lot. Like, I have dull eyes, but when I apply mascara on these areas, my eyes pops out so well. Like, look at that. For the lashes, I'm going to be using Mink 3D lashes in number 4. I've used these false lashes several times. The good thing with human hair false lashes is that you can always use them as many times as you want. You can always recycle them. And another thing you need to note here, guys, is when you're removing your lashes, please do not prank them from the middle. I used to always make this mistake. What happens is that some of the clusters would come out. So what you want to do is just take your packaging and then fold it, and then very lightly take your lashes from the outer edge. The next step, my beautiful people, you need to measure your eyelashes on your lids and cut any excess if need be. You see, some of these eyelashes, guys, they're bigger than our eyelids. So you need first to measure your eyelashes with your eyelids and find out if they're your perfect size. These eyelashes, like I said, I've used them several times, so I know they're my perfect size. The next step, guys, is to apply your glue, and the glue that I'm using today is Zalon eyelash glue. And then now, my beautiful people, when it comes to applying the glue, apply the lash glue on the lash strip only. I'm telling you guys, I don't like this glue, the way it's behaving. You see how when Cutex is drying up the way it behaves? That's how this lash glue has been behaving ever since. I'm just waiting for it to run out. The best eyelash glue is Duo Lash Glue. Get Duo Lash Glue, my beautiful people. It's the best glue. And then another tip before I forget, apply more glue on the edges of each corner for security purposes. If you want your eyelashes to apply more firmly, add more glue on the edges of each corner of your eyelash. Add more glue on each corner of your eyelash.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes.
The next step, my beautiful people, and the most important step, guys, after you've applied your glue, wait for 30 seconds for your glue to set and get tacky, then you can begin application. When you wait for the glue to get tacky, application becomes very easy. Now, when it comes to the application, my beautiful people, kindly give your inner corner a little space before your falsies so it appears as natural as possible. And then when it comes to the actual application, get yourself a small mirror and then look down. That way you'll easily see where your lash line is. Then just go ahead and drop your eyelash right at the center of your lashes. Just drop it at the center of your lashes and then press in the middle and the edges of your lash line. And there, my beautiful people, you have your first false lashes applied. That was easy, right? I'm just going to repeat the same steps again. First, wait for your glue to get tacky. Then leave a tiny space in between your inner corners so your false lashes have that, natural feeling effect. And then get yourself a mirror and then look down. That way you're easily able to see where your lash line is. Then just take your lashes and just drop them. Drop them right at the center of your lashes and then press in the middle and then the edges. First of all, you just drop them and then press the middle and the edges, and there you have your false lashes applied. Once the glue is tacky, guys, it's always very easy for you to apply your false lashes. So always make sure after you've applied your glue on the strip of your lashes, always wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute for your lash glue to get tacky, and then thereafter you can begin your application. One last step, my beautiful people, I'm taking my black eyeliner and kind of sort of applying some more eyeliner on my natural lashes, to make sure there are no spaces, there are no sort of demarcations between my natural lashes and my falsies. You don't want your false lashes looking like you have an umbrella on. So just apply some eyeliner if you see any spaces in between, any sort of demarcations, and that is it, my beautiful people. We are done. One last step, I'm just going to brighten my inner corner using my highlighter, and that is it, guys. It was easy, right? Let me know on the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and also comment down below. I'll be replying to your comments kama kawaida. Keep it real and beautiful, and always remember to dwell on the beauty of life. Until next time, bye.